Hey my natural beauties, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started guys, I want to shout out HV Queens on Instagram for sending me this dope ass shirt. You can wear this as a shirt or as a dress because it is long enough. Don't settle sis, never that, okay? Period poop. And the link for their page is gonna be down in the description bar below as well. So I like this environment because it kind of chill and it just gives me a chance to just be real and just, you know, just breathe easy a little bit. Today I'm gonna give you guys a story that I've been wanting to tell you for so long. It is up on the tip of my tongue, but I just never found the time to talk about it. Before we get into this story time, I want you guys to do your girl the hugest favor. Go ahead, thumbs up this video, hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed, all right? Like up the thing, share up the thing. If you want to follow me, jump on your phone right now. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter at Naturally Miss Toya. All those links are gonna be down in the description bar, all right? Cool.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
So this happened about, would I say, about 3 years ago? About 3 years ago, right? Alright, about 3 years ago. One day I was out running my errands and shopping and things, and I saw this dude that I had not seen since primary school. See me? We used to go primary school together. We were classmates. So I kid you not, I had not seen this dude since primary school graduation. Right? Remember, we're adults at this point, so you know, say a long time I didn't see this brother. And if you're watching this, you didn't know it that will come. Like, I'm personally making this video because one, I've always wanted to make it, and two, because dudes do this a lot. I'm gonna want to bring awareness because I never know say in a modern time people still do them some of them. But yeah, let's proceed with the story. I never see the brother since primary school graduation, team. So, you know, I'm excited because it's been a long time since me never see him, and, you know, we weren't like besties, but I did my look G at the end of the day. So, you know, I see him and with the day attack, and then I see somebody else from primary school. So, like, with the day joke, and I say, oh, what is a planting at the same spot? And mark you, we've all lived in the vicinity forever. So it just weird to at that time the three of we link up at the same time. Says me good vibes, you know. We say, yo, like, we should have been linked up, blah blah blah. So anyways, everybody trade number. See me? I go about my business. A couple days later, the dude texted me. Same text me, you know what, go on, it was so good to see you, blah blah blah, on that type shit. You know, it was nothing. He never did that try to get with me or nothing like that. So you know me, I text him, I'll go on brother. You understand? It is a text. In the midst of texting, I think I was doing something, so I did tell him say later or something like that, so we never really follow up on like a conversation or whatever. That conversation they die out. A couple days later again, him text me. It was a very basic conversation once again, nothing hinting at nothing like that. So him text me and him say,
yeah, we will link up, you know, more often than not, like basically, you know, like, because a long time we don't see each other and we don't really live so and whatever.
I say, yeah man, a real thing man. So he said to me,
yo, when you are coming at the town?
I say, as a matter of fact, you're not working at the town. They're coming at the town in a day, man. You know we can link up. Alright, boom. I tell him something I'm reaching at the town. I link him. Now, the town, for all who don't know and who don't live in Jamaica, it's not Kingston. It's the town that's closest to you. So it could have been Maypen, Mandeville, or the major town. You understand? So I tell him I'm going to come in at the town because I did have some errands for run and thing. Now, before I go meet him up, because I literally, it was just to say hi, like another face-to-face type interaction then rather than over the phone. Remember, I'm in my mind, I'm linking this. I don't want you. You understand? So I not to think nothing of it. I get ready, going at the town. I'm supposed to meet up with my cousin. So I meet up with my cousin now. When I meet up with my cousin said to me, say, yo, like, you have to watch it with them brother, you know. So I say, what you mean? Man say, yo, him just there work, I want you to show him a picture. When I'm a good picture them on Instagram, you know. And I go tell him, say,
yeah, them girl and me a program and you have to link top girl and them girl come link me and...
I'm just like, I say, right away, you know. Like, I start get mad, come and say that him serious. Me and you not have no type of conversation, brother, about anything like this. If I'm being real, you're not my type. And then, brother, have my name circulate and I say, oh, me come link him and he might program me and you have to link top girl like them. And look, it's not the first time somebody, a male, dragged my name for enhance them reputation, but brother, like how can you do that? Remember say me you never have no type of conversation about that, you know. It wasn't even like it was hinting to that. Would feel upset if it was hinting to that, but there was no type of connection, no type of nothing. And you I gotta tell people say, oh Ray, them top girl come link me, and I'm just like, well, this is kind of sad. Alright, cool. I went into the town, sorted out my business. I blocked him on everything. And to this day that you don't know what him do. Because he might tell a random person, never knows me and the person a family. You see how the world small? I'm making this video because I've seen it happen to a lot of my friends. You don't need to stop tell lie on front. Stop tell lie on woman. Because we don't want to know. Like we don't want to know. And I actually seen him a couple times after that, and to this day he has no clue what happened. He don't know why I stopped talking to him. He doesn't know anything. Like him not have the clue. That's actually what I wanted, because I didn't want him to know that he had done something. You understand me? Somebody just want to leave it up in the ear for him, wonder like shit, like what happened? Like we were cool, you get me? But bro, when I have you as a brother, don't try style me. Like me hate them thing there. Them some of the women me dislike you for life. Like if I'm trying to be genuine towards you, don't come at me with some fake type shit, because then you'll be fake. You're slandering my name. I'ma call it slandering, because oh, you feel walk up and down and say them somebody, and me never express this to you yet. So sometimes I'm just like, dudes are so weird. You know how weird mood I feel for walk up and down and I tell them blatant lie there? Like that shit was low-key hilarious. If you've ever had a dude with tell lie pan you, drop in the comment section, let's talk about it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a story time. I had to share it. From when me sit down pan it enough for share, we don't you know come and say, yo, someone just waste. Like, lift up brother. Why? Lock info, because y'all know I have to put in the one of the plug them right away. These locks are about to be 2 years old. Y'all have seen them time and time again in videos. My vacation like I've had these for years. I know somebody might ask, so of course that info is going to be in the description bar as well. Selling the lock kits as well as booking appointments. So if you can't make it to me and you want to just purchase the locks, no problem baby, I got you. Don't forget to check out HB Queens. Their link is going to be in the description bar. Alright, for all your shirts, they have other shirts that are having like inspirational messages on them and thing. Like, yeah, I really love this shirt and it's my first time getting to wear it. I can't wait to post it on the gram. But yeah, follow me on all my socials at Naturally Miss Toya. I love y'all and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.